And then we do some hawk formation.
Timer cleared. Gear up. Flaps up.
This is the 30C pack too.
That's the thing about being a kid, man.
Don't worry about nothing.
Yeah, I always used to think I want to be a kid, and then Darren was like, but you have to grow up. Fuck, you're right.
Yeah, it does. The lemon, yeah. This one's on the CG though.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
No, when the A is clean, it's just...
And
it looks super nice.
the crazy thing is, you see that roll?
Yeah.
I have a mix that's the opposite. I think I've told you.
The rudder and the aileron.
The rudder and aileron are opposite of what it normally is. So normally the rudders and the ailerons and the rudder go together.
Yeah.
Now they go opposite of each other. Because before it was rolling funny. But see how it rolls perfect. When I did it the other way, it wiggled and looked funky. So I'm like, maybe I should reverse it and see what happens. And I'm like, ooh, this is good. This thing's fun though.
Yeah, it looks like a lot of fun.
I was chasing around Max with his Habu 32. And he's like, this thing's faster.
Yeah.
What the heck, man?
Max is funny.
He's like, this is a composite plane. Why is it a little foamy going faster?
Oh yeah, I can see it pushing the rudder and the tail in the opposite direction.
Yep.
It's kind of funny.
But it looks right.
But it looks fine, yeah.
See?
Yeah. It must not be that much.
This barely anything. I'll show you when it lands. It is so much fun though. I didn't do a thing. I want to get some more of these little things. They only cost $8 for the fan and adapter and everything.
I saw something on Hobby King, but I wasn't sure if it's the same one.
It's not Hobby King that has them. It's RC Castle. They're like $9. They don't have this plane, but they have the parts. It's called Power Fun. I'm like, okay. But if it's only $8, shoot, why not? I think this would actually go well in the 16.
Time remaining 1
This is a
minute.
70 minute.
Yeah. I'm just gonna come in now because it's getting cold.
I do like that. The leopard setup in my F16, I think it's turning out pretty nice.
That's what's in there?
Yeah, because I have the Dr. Maxwell, but
I think that's too hard on batteries.
I burned one out.
Yeah.
And I bought a second one, but then I put the leopard.
Landing
The
flaps.
leopard is like 2190 kV
Yeah.
instead of 2200.
Right.
And it's a little bit
30 seconds.
thinner, but a little bit longer.
Yeah.
Or narrow, but longer.
Flaps up.
I love this little thing. It might dog track and go down the runway sideways, but it tracks straight in the air. Now here, look at the ailerons. Here, look straight on, dead on, see? And it works, so that's right. That's right, and it's going left rudder, see? Left and right rudder. But it works, and you saw it, it rolls fine. It looks right.
Gear up.
Alright, that was fun. Let's get this thing out of here. Some hawk flying, and we're done. This has been a freaking perfect day.